Today ang topic ko ay about short videos. Following the collection of my short videos, now within just few days, ay meron siyang 400 plus views. Sa akin, okay na yan kasi maliliit lang ang mga views ng aking videos. Tingnan natin itong isang ito. Just simply dropping an egg into boiling water, or let's say poaching an egg, ay meron agad siya na 976 views in just few days. What I did is that I drop an egg and wait for a few seconds, and then spoon it out and put it on a small plate. And there you are, poached egg. Let's see this one. Perfect fried egg on toast. In just few days, meron agad siyang 650 views. I couldn't believe na itong paglalagay lang ng isang itlog dito sa toast, no? Nilagyan ko pa ng asin. Tapos papakita ko pa na siya ay gooey. It is very, very short, about 33 seconds only. And it has 650 views. Let's see the next one, Spanish omelette. In just few days, it collected 404 views. I just did it. I didn't think that it would have so many views. For me, it's already a good views. Like that. I just turn it over, flip it over with another pan. And that's that. So simple as that. How about perfect fried egg? Just simply normal, dropping an egg into an oil, sprinkling some salt, and putting some oil here and there. Voila, it's called perfect fried egg, and it has 629 views in just few days. As I was cooking this, preparing for my premiere, I thought, why not make a short video of it? So I did. And this chop suey shorts of 32 seconds has collected 416 views so far. Meatball shorts. I was just cooking this for our dinner, then I thought, why not take a video of it? And I took only 27 seconds of it. I should have taken 31 seconds, but it doesn't matter. And it has collected 498 views. One night, we caught this calamari, or squid, or puset, Tagalog. And I took a video of it for 56 seconds, and it has collected 557 views so far. How about my growing onions in the kitchen? It just happened to grow because my house, it has humidity and there's some light all over the place. And I just happened to take a video of it for 42 seconds. And in just few days, it has 408 views. How about that? My husband brought so many lemons and oranges one day, and I caught an attention of this banana-shaped lemon. So I said, let me take a video of it. And it happened that it collected 786 views in just few days. How about this Greece Athens escalator shorts? In just few days, it collected 800 views. Metro train station shorts 58 seconds, and it has collected 555 views. On this day, when I took this video, I just happened to be able to get outside. And voila, I have a video. And this short video, it has 591 views in just few days. I was outside rolling and strolling, and I took a video of it for 39 seconds, and it has collected 637 views up to now. This one, I was just a bit bored at home, and I just thought to take a video of all my gadgets. So this one, I took it 27 seconds without thinking that I should make 31 seconds and above. Anyway, it has collected 427 views in just few days up to now. It is now trend about this laba challenge. But I did this one for laba lababu challenge shorts, 31 seconds. And it has collected 717 views. And this one, Athens, Greece road trip, that has accumulated 415 views up to now. I made this video and intended for those who have small number of views on their videos because I want to share this knowledge. This is called shorts. How to make shorts? You should do it between 31 seconds to 56 seconds long, especially if you're monetized, so that you will have ads. And it should be taken vertical video. Vertical, I mean not landscape like the one we are doing usually. And on the title, you should add hashtag shorts, and on the description, whatever you write, you should add hashtag shorts.